parts of the ship breaking off and every system shutting down. We're using up all our energy systems just to stay aloft in this heavy gravity. I believe I warned you about this, remember? Control! Hank, I have an idea of how to save us, but I'm going to need to shut you down and reboot the entire system to make the changes. There are easier ways to make me be quiet. Shutting me down seems a bit drastic. Can you think of a better way to enter programming mode mid-flight? No, but it's never been done before. Well, there's a first time for everything, buddy. And a last. I'll see you on the other side, Hank. Initiate the shutdown sequence now! Okay, I've programmed our energy amplifiers to catch sound waves and power our sonic drive system. We just need a source of loud noises, like that party down there. People of Earth. The only thing that can save us now is if you all join together and make as much noise as you can, okay? Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2,